PartnerRe was formed 20 years ago in the aftermath of Hurricane Andrew in response to a capacity shortage, and focused on writing catastrophe reinsurance in a very different technical way. 20 years later, we are a different company. We have always focused on significant value creation, but over time we have grown and changed. This period is marked by strong growth. We grew our capital almost sevenfold, and we grew the premiums written from $60 million in our first year to $5.6 billion today. We also grew our balance sheet. Our assets today are a multiple of what they were then. We grew our skills and human capital. And we grew our footprint to the international presence we have today. With 21 offices and over 2,000 clients in more than 150 countries. And we have delivered significant value to our shareholders. But this last 20 years is not just about growth. Today, we're a diversified reinsurer with the technical skills and ability to transact every line of business. We have always had a strong catastrophe core, but starting in 1997, the company began to diversify, and this has continued at a relentless pace. Looking at the premiums written, but for different lines of business, you can see the strong trend toward diversification. And more importantly, we moved from being a newcomer to being an established franchise and a preferred client partner. When we look back at our history, we see 4 distinct periods. At the beginning, our priority was cat. We put good systems in place and from a very early date built our own proprietary research and tools. But in 1997, we took the decision that to secure the future of PartnerRe, we would diversify. After 2 acquisitions, we put into place the structure and the processes necessary to function as a single company. Since 2009, responding to a changing market and taking advantage of our increased strength and size, we broadened our footprint in our many lines of business and formed even stronger bonds with our clients. We've come a long way in 20 years. In this time, our goals haven't changed. We had 4 goals then, and we have 4 today. First, we want to deliver superior returns to our shareholders over time. We would not be in business unless we believe we can do that. Second, it's our aim to be here for the longer term. And to do this, we must be both resilient but also adaptable, and have a business strategy that embraces optionality. Fourth, we want to be a company that makes a difference. We want to matter to our clients. We're more than just marginal capacity. Lastly, we want to live by a core set of values that we all aspire to in this organization. These are integrity, respect, transparency, and accountability. And if we didn't live by those values, we wouldn't be the company we are today. We've come a long way in 20 years. In 1993, we had an approach to the market that defined the company. Today, we continue to redefine ourselves and broaden our horizons. Throughout our history, we've evolved to respond to changes to the market, and we will continue to evolve in the future. What will not change is our strong core set of values and the overriding objective: value creation.